This is the story of mine, how I type fast.
I type my university assignments, I type my emails, I type my YouTube scripts, I type on Google to search a lot of stuff. The average person type 40 words per minute and I've never thought about it. Then I realized that by getting faster typing, I could actually save a bunch of time.
Which is something I desperately needed.
So I found a website where you can measure your typing speed based on how many words you can type per minute. Mine is currently 25 words per minute, which is slightly below average.
My goal for this video is get to at least 90 words per minute in a week.
So I did my research and I found a few things that could help us get better at this. The first thing I had to fix is the posture. Sometimes I find myself in weird position after a long typing sessions. And this not only can hurt your back, but it actually makes you slower at typing. We should align our back to the chair, bending our elbows and keeping the feet flat to the ground. The second step is the hand positioning. The F key and the G key have small bumps on them, so you can find them easily with your index fingers without looking, while the other fingers should rest on the middle row of the keyboard. In the past, I used to type using only my index fingers.
It doesn't make any sense.
Anyways, I tried to complete the typing test using only 2 fingers. And this way the speed was way lower than my average typing speed. You can find online code scheme and websites specifically designed to help you learn typing with 10 fingers.
That's exactly how I personally learned in the past.
Anyways, I started practicing keeping in the mind the right posture, and in about half an hour I increased my typing speed of more than 10 words per minute. But by watching my footage I realized sometimes I intuitively looked down to the keyboard. And this was really making me slower, so I tried focusing myself to look just at the screen. And after another hour I really saw a great improvement. But after trying for another hour I was getting tired, because I really could not do better than 59 words per minute. Following half an hour was characterized by practice, extreme concentration and a bunch of faith. I could feel my fingers going way faster than before, but I could not get far away from 59 words per minute.
I am stuck.
For some reason my left hand kept failing, so I threw myself into practice. I decided to split my training into sessions of 20 minutes, taking 5 minutes of rest between every session.
Practice is only way to develop muscle memory.
And I was actually getting faster, but also
I'm really tired, like seriously.
everything is possible in this world. I watched again lots of tutorials and I realized I wasn't using a really important shortcut control, backspace. This one is extremely useful when you make a mistake at the beginning of a word. So instead of typing backspace many times, by using control backspace you can complete the entire word. Besides that, I would like to tell you the secret method to get faster typing, but there isn't one.
It's all about practice.
The more you practice, the faster you get. At this point, my hands were no longer under the control of my brain. I was writing something while reading the next word to write. And here's strategy to get good results.
Let's go! Literally, I can't read anymore.
But I wanted to get there really bad.
Yeah! Yes, 77.
Going from 25 words per minute to 77 words per minute is no joke.
If I can do it, you can also do it. Let's go! You guys are watching my videos without subscribing, so subscribe.